Hello, this is Jim from Tech. I was going to give you a quick look on the hardware itself here of the Edifier soundbar, and we'll have some sound demos coming up after. So this unit here is 39 inches long, 39.5 inches exactly, and on this end here it has passion for sound, and it's got a nice finish here on the edges. And then if we take a trip down along the unit itself, we have some physical buttons here should your remote fail, and they are very clicky and tactile and easy to navigate, again with the same nice finish. We've got the Edifier logo here right in the middle. There's a nice weight to it as well, and then on the back we also have some clips here so you can mount this as well. You get a steel bar that comes with it. And if you take a look at our ports, we have plenty to pick from. So you've got your optical, coaxial, line in, aux in and sub out, and your main power cable here. So this isn't actually using HDMI like a lot of soundbars do, so I'd suggest using the opti cable version, and it's a pretty simple setup. And again, using either of these you can select depending on what your TV setup is at home. Then on the bottom then you have some rubber feet. There's two, and that will keep it solid, but it's a nice and sturdy unit, so I wouldn't be too worried about it moving around even at full whack. But as for sound itself, you will be impressed with this. The sound is absolutely fantastic, and you have on the remote, which we will demo, you have a couple of options to change the tone of sound and so on, and you can skip now and listen to the music, which is simply, the video doesn't do much justice, but put it this way, it will rattle your floorboards. And hello, this is Jim. I'm just going to give you a quick demo here of the soundbar. So you have your little controls here, which is kind of a handy small neat remote, but these things get lost very easily, so be careful where you leave it. So you have news, movie and 3D here. This effectively changes the sound tone. You have your connectivity options then. You have Bluetooth, optical, aux, line in and co. And optical is the best if you have the setup on your TV, plus and minus and power on and off and so on. So I'm going to give you a quick demo here. So here is now a sample from the TV through YouTube, through the soundbar, just to give you a quick demo, using my own channel due to YouTube and their stupid restrictions with sound bites and so on. Hi, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick look and review of the official Google Pixel 3 XL cases. We've got two in stock here. And now I'm switching to Bluetooth on the phone for a couple of quick sound bites.